starting in open source 5 free tools you need now. The following are the top 5 free tools. 1. Up for grabs. Find the right project and filter by last updated. Name, label and tags. Popular tags are also available for you to find common programming languages. Find your next contribution by reading the short description of each project. 2. First issue. It curates accessible issues from popular open source projects, plus the design is very cool as well. Browse by tag and language to focus on the first issues, and you can pick Hacktoberfest to find ones participating in the event. 3. Quine. Discover repositories that match your preferred programming language and topic. Filters for projects by good starter issues, recently updated in most star repos. 4. Finder EddieHub. Once you've registered, you have the option to choose GitHub and explore a list of numerous repositories where you can make contributions. The filtering options are implemented in a unique way, offering specific tagging for Eddie. 5. GitHub. The first place everyone thinks about when looking to contribute, and you are right to find the top repositories participating in Hacktoberfest and filtered down by the type of programming language used. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.